Welcome to another video of the Research Lab channel. So in this video I'm going to tell about some input condition mapping in Fluent simulation. If you're running transient simulation and you want to consider temperature variation as a inlet condition, then this video is for you. So now in this video I'm going to consider a temperature profile, means variation of temperature over the time. So to demonstrate this, I have one case file for energy storage system, and here in the bounding condition, if you drop down inlet, so you will see the inlet condition I have defined here, mass flow rate condition. And if you could double click this one, so you will see in the thermal section total temperature, you need to define it. So now right now it's a constant, but now here I have to define variation of temperature with time. So now what you have to do, one thing you can do, you can use profile facility available in the bounding condition. If you double click this one, and you will see this here in the profiles, go to profiles and read, then insert your profile. I will tell you the format for this profile. Let me show first this thing. Now this is inserted in the ANSYS Fluent. Now click OK, and then again go to the inlet condition. Here you can see now the temperature profile, you can see in the total temperature drop down, and choose this and apply. Okay, now let me run it for 2 seconds so I can demonstrate you is it working or not. Okay, I'm running for 2 seconds. Timer step 1, and maximum iteration per timer step is 1. Okay, the simulation is done for 2 seconds. Now let's check inlet temperature in surface integral. So here report type survey mass weighted average, field variable temperature, and surfaces, select inlet. So now this is 356.55. I'm just taking 2 digit after decimal. So now this is my inlet profile. So now for 2 seconds you can see 356.55, and this is same. Okay, so now this is the way you can map your temperature variation profile in ANSYS. Now let me tell you how to format your data so ANSYS can read your file without any trouble. This is the format actually. So now you have to for first 4 row you have to define like name, transient temperature, data, time, and temperature. 0 second, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, and this is the temperature. So like that you can arrange your data. So this is the entire profile. In the similar way you have to make your profile. So this is all for this video. Thanks.